Hey guys, I'm Jah'Mar.
And I'm Maeve.
And we're going to show you around campus. Right behind me, we have Randolph Hall. This is where you'll find the president's office up on the second floor. Then if you look up to the third floor, you'll see a white picket fence in front of a window. That is the oldest classroom in America, still in continuous use. Right in front of Randolph Hall, we have the Cistern. It acted as a water reservoir for the city of Charleston. They use it to control flooding and to fight fires, but it's now a really important cultural stamp to the College of Charleston. We have a little superstition here that if you cross the Cistern before you graduate, that tacks on more time here at the college. And while we would love that, the people funding our education probably wouldn't as much.
When I was a prospective student less than a year ago, I asked all of the college students I could find, if I buy you a cup of coffee, will you sit on the Cistern and talk to me about the school? And it was a great way that I learned about the College of Charleston, and no college student will turn down free coffee. So definitely a good thing to remember. So welcome to Rita Hollings Science Center. This is our newest renovated science building on campus, and on the roof it actually houses the biggest telescope in South Carolina. So if you're in astronomy or astrophysics, you can go up and use that, and we do have night labs so you can actually look at the stars. Also on the roof is our rainwater collection system. So we do collect the rainwater and distribute it to student gardens all over campus, which is one of the ways that we focus on sustainability here at the college.
Also inside of this building, you'll find the largest classroom on campus. It can fit about 250 people, but you will never have a class size that large. We cap our classes at about 125, and the class average is about 25 to 26, depending on your major. So right now we are standing in Rivers Green. The College of Charleston told its students in 2008 asked whether they would rather have an additional green space or a parking garage, and as you can see, they chose a green space. This is one of my favorite parts of campus to study in. If you look around, you see little black charging ports sticking out of the ground. These are so when you're out here studying and doing homework, you don't have to run into the library for a quick charge.
And right behind me is Starbucks, so on a beautiful day like today, you can sit on Rivers Green with a drink and get some work done. Or if you're more of an indoor learner like me, the library is also right behind us. It has 3 floors, each the size of a football field, so definitely space for everybody who needs to be in there. First floor is going to be a community learning space if you're collaborative, like to talk. And then as you go up floors, it's going to get quieter. I have not dared to enter the 3rd floor. I think they would kick me out because I'm a very loud learner. But if you are like a sit down, get work done kind of person, that will be the space for you. So right beside me here is Lightsey. So this is going to be your one-stop shop on campus. So whether you need help with career advising, academic advising, really anything you can think of, it's going to be in Lightsey.
If you look down at our feet, you'll notice a brick pattern very specific to the College of Charleston. It's called the Herringbone brick pattern. This is how you know you are on campus.
Right behind us is our statue of Clyde. So if you give him some pets, he'll give you some good luck, and definitely around exam time, you can see lots of students, giving him as many pets as they can, hoping to get some good luck for their finals. These 2 buildings beside us are Maybank and Robert Scott Small. These are 2 of our general education buildings on campus. We like to say that if you haven't had a class in Maybank, you haven't really been to CFC. And I can definitely vouch for this. I'm a first year and I've had 4 classes in Maybank, so spent a lot of my time there. We are a liberal arts institution, which means that there are general education requirements. However, that can be anything from ice skating to pottery or geology if you're an economics major like me. So anything you want to take here at the college will be available to you.
Here at the College of Charleston, we have a very unique Honors College program. Some of the perks of being a part of the Honors College, you get 24/7 access to the 2 buildings behind me. And you also get the one I'm also jealous of, priority registration. Maeve, would you like to talk about your experience as an honors student?
Totally. I'm in the Honors College and I absolutely love it. It is a great experience and it's a great community. I will say that if you're not in the Honors College, you still have a wonderful community and experience here, and it's not an isolated community, so you can be friends with anybody from any part of the college.
Thank you guys so much for following us along. Make sure you come down and visit us here at the College of Charleston.
To visit, head over to go.cufc.edu/visit.